Can the Samsung Z Fold 5 finally unfold everything with it being so thin? It's really got me scratching my head wondering, is this a phone or is it a tablet? I guess we could just say it's confusingly awesome, don't you think? Well, what's up? I'm Mr. Noble and you're watching Mr. Noble TV. Well, let's unfold the world with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And here are the best things that's awesome about the Z Fold 5's body design, as well as some of the best features on the cover screen and the inside foldable display screen. Because the future of smartphones should be an open book to the amazing digital world. Well, are you tired of those tiny phones cramping your style? Well, meet the Galaxy Z Fold 5. See the comparison between the both? Well, it's the ultimate phone that unfolds endless possibilities. With this larger, brighter front cover, and it comes in at 6.2 inches on the external display, making it more usable for those one-handed tasks. And also brighter with a peak brightness of 1200 nits, making it easy to see in direct sunlight. So let this be your cinematic universe right in the palm of your hands. That gives you the power and performance and precision, because the Z Fold 5 doesn't just unfold, it unleashes the full potential that the Z Fold 5 has to give. So let me tell you, the hinge on the Z Fold 5 is slimmer and more discreet than the hinge that's on the previous Z Fold 4. So our gap is actually closed. On the Z Fold 4, the gap was still kind of open. And I can't wait to get my hands on the Z Fold 6 coming this year. It feels a lot smoother and more stable when opening and closing the fold, according to Z Fold 4 users, comparing the two side by side. Now let's talk water resistant. Because the Z Fold 5 is IPX8 water resistant, which means it can withstand being submerged underwater down to 1.5 meters for about 30 minutes. Now that's crazy, don't you think? For a phone to be submerged in water for up to 30 minutes and still be workable. I find that fascinating. I can't wait to go swimming this year and go jump in the pool and be able to still use my phone while I'm in the pool. That would be awesome. That'd be very cool. Don't you think? But wait, there's more. The bigger, brighter 6.2-inch cover screen keeps you connected without unfolding the Z Fold 5 to the inside screen. So you can still use your phone for those important tasks, like texting, phone calls, or easy access to your photos. It's all just a tap away. Now let's talk about the inner screen display. Coming in at a whopping 7.6 inches. Almost the same size as the iPad mini. This one's just a little smaller and easier to fit in your pocket. With the inner display, it's large and immersive. It makes it perfect for watching your favorite videos. playing your favorite games that you love playing. Now with a minor upgrade on the cameras, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and also a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, which when using the cameras, I have to say they take such great crispy photos and videos for a foldable device, even in low light conditions. And if you didn't know, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has 3 cameras on the back, 1 on the front cover screen, and 1 actually, the camera on the inside screen is actually under the screen until you go to use it, which I think is an awesome idea. I wish Apple would decide to give us a camera under the screen. I think it'd be amazing. So that's a total of 5 cameras in just this one phone. That's amazing. Now let's talk about the body of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's been engineered for flawless folds, tested over and over and over and over, and the Z Fold 5 moves so gracefully, just like a beautiful butterfly. And with its water resistant design, even in the rain, its foldable wings won't be dampened and messed with your flow while you're still on your phone. Let's talk about the battery. The Z Fold 5 has a larger battery, giving it a better battery life than the previous Z Fold 4, which means it should last a whole lot longer on one single charge. That should last you all day. Unless you're a heavy user using that inside screen, because I don't think using the outside screen much, it's gonna ruin your battery life throughout the day. So if you're running out and you just have to go run to the store or something like that, or maybe you're going to a friend house, and you're not really going to be using your phone, the cover screen and the battery life should be fine for at least 6 to 8 hours straight if you're doing mad multitasking and gaming. But nowadays, people have a tendency to bring their chargers with them everywhere they go, or they have a charger that you can hook to the back or hook to a USB-C. What can I say overall? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has become a significant improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 4 from the users I've heard from. With, like I said, with that brighter external display, the more refined hinge, a better processor, improved cameras, and a longer battery life. It has become one of the best phones on the market compared to other foldables. Because of that one UI that Samsung offers, with the customization, with the good lock that only comes on Samsung phones. That's why I just love this phone so much. Now, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a phone with a unique form factor and you just want to try a foldable. Go check it out in one of the stores. play around with it for a little while and compare it to whatever phone you're using now and see how it compares to another phone. Yes, slimmer screen than a regular slab phone, but like I said, that is supposed to change this year with the Samsung Z Fold 6. So I will be doing a comparison between the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 when that one is available. I will be doing a pre-order and I'll let you know when that video will be available. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you stay up to date with my latest videos. I'm trying to do more. I'm trying to get out there and do more. I'm trying to make the best videos possible because I like to tell my viewers the truth. I'm going to tell you how it is. I'm not going to hold no punches. If I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. And I got to say, I do love this phone. Like I said, I can't wait to try that Z Fold 6. I just can't wait. I cannot imagine how beautiful and how it's going to be compared to this one. I'm already loving this one. And I'm actually going to be using both of them. And my iPhone on a daily basis. But I'm still thinking, man, maybe if I get the Z Fold 6, I might start using it as my main phone and put the iPhone to the side for just like phone calls, text messages, playing a few games, because I don't use my iPhone as much as I use my iPad. And with having one of these foldable devices where I could just pick it up, and no matter where I go, I could just pop it open, watch a video without having to grab my iPad or a tablet. This is a game changer. Seriously, this is a game changer. I wouldn't have it no other way. You know how many years I've waited for? And like I said, I'm not buying another iPhone. I'm just not going to do it. I'm not buying another slab phone when things like this are on the market. Yeah, a lot of people said they don't like foldable phones. Would you rather carry a phone, a tablet, or an iPad with you everywhere you go in a book sack or bulging inside your pocket? You know what I'm saying? I would rather have this. Yeah, I might still bring my iPhone with me, but I want to see how much I'm going to be using this phone and the new Z Fold 6 compared to using my iPhone. So stay tuned for that video also when I do a comparison between the three. So, I mean, I'm excited. I'm pretty sure you are. I can't wait till this happens this year. So to me, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, unfolding everything in your digital world, in my digital world. So go out, try you one, go get you one, try it out. Either go buy you one, because like I said, you won't be disappointed with this phone. And that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!